hold down Brazil today, no? Can't remember saying, no, last week you was bringing Germany.
Oh, you know, say my side, Argentina.
My youth, really, I said that after the Asian side, Obia Uno and Gozo Uno need to find. Brazil better rise up above that Obia, you know, because if them don't mind sharp, Serbia might figure out what the problem still, you know.
Oh, what the problem?
You see, once them score the equalizer, and that's how the Obia chicken. You see, from Germany get the first goal, and Japan equalize. Germany never score a next goal. So when Japan shot the second goal, all they have to dress back, that's it, don't look up in that post.
You know, say good as a 2-year talk, because from Saudi Arabia, equalize. About 40-17 times Messi trying to score.
Messi get Messi. And the Obia chip in. Oh, so if Serbia score an equalizer today, Brazil are going to lose.
I bet you 5 grand say Serbia win.
Yeah, man. Serbia may have. And if Brazil win, you give me 5 grand and buy me cash pack. All right, work with that. Work with
Once
that.
them score the equalizer, the Obia chip
yeah,
in.
Man. Hey, somebody else can come in and this too, you know. Italy supporter. Yo, Lord, man. Big side. Yo, leave me alone, man. Yeah, come in on the bed. What you say?
I feel alright.
Argentina people, them are going and and only 2 stars them have. 1 Brazil, 1 Neymar, and 1 of them. Them not like well.
Yeah, man, a good match this. I'm not gonna lie, a good game. See? I like that, I respect that. I'm feel good, I'm feel happy same way. And a 1 Brazil all the way. All the way, 1 Brazil.
1. Until death. Brazil. Brazil! Just start playing. Well, I'm out of the World Cup, but I must say we play a very good match. It's a ball game, so somebody have to win, and it's only 2 teams can go to the World Cup and then 1 win the final. 2 teams can go to the final and then 1 win the final. Big up Team Brazil all the way.
Rapper can say, under the blood, me say me under the blood. Under the blood, me say me under the blood. Jesus cover me under the blood. Under the blood, me say me under the blood. Jesus, you will cover me under the blood. In the morning when me wake up, and the blood that Jesus me take up. And when me feel like me, I go break up. Put the blood on me face just like a makeup. Christian a fight some things with them not see. So I hold demons and principality. Remember they are the temple. Keep it holy, sanctified, justified. Give God the glory. Fighting against 3 terrible enemy. The world, Satan and myself against me. One day anointing pour it on me. And make me trample the devil on it. Say, under the blood. Under the blood.
When a Jamaican orders soup in America for the first time.
See how I come with it there.
Oh, thank you so much.
How are this?
A pot water this. They really carry the dirty water from the pot. Come give me for drink, miss. Me do something to you. When me lift up the spoon so me can see right through the water. How are this? Broccoli? Which part of the chicken is, miss? And what is a float through in the water favor do? Mushroom? Miss, how mushroom reach in my chicken soup is a wicked act. No, me can't see a piece of chicken. What the dumpling there? What the yam there? What the Irish potato? Not even a little piece of green banana? No dashi, no cassava. Not even a slice of pumpkin. Lord, my sins have caught up with me. What the noodles there? Then how it's so cold? And a boil, you boil it. Look here, don't make a rude to you. I beg you carry this back and come give me some soup. You hear me? No, sir, take this from me. Take it. I don't care, same thing else, come give me, missus.
Today I've got Julie Mango here and I've been trying to make a video for the last half an hour.
I mean, we've been here like a whole hour. Like an entire hour.
And she cannot focus. You see what I mean? You drop? I just don't understand what's going on.
He was not very professional in giving me the instructions.
Okay, cut. Like it drop. She and Tanya are here and they just met and they've been talking the entire time. Julia started eating cane.
Luxurious house of Latonia. This is what you call the provisions in the vertical strand-like format. We're supposed to do a video and Simon...
And he wasn't prepared.
Right, he did not brief us.
No, I've been trying to make the same video for half an hour.
I don't know what he's complaining about, it was perfect.
I don't understand his reason for all this annoyance because we are cooperating.
Where are we?
I think really good.
I think we're damn good.
When your Jamaican parents take communion at an American church for the first time.
Here's your communion, ma'am.
Oh, yes. I want this. Jax, this I can't communion. And I want the bread there. Push part, this supposed to go in my belly. You want to tell me someone couldn't even buy 2 saltine crackers? Never in my life me think would have lived because the people lick and promise communion. This look like it can atone for everything to you, miss. And by the time me fight for open this, the wages of my sins not reach me already, ma. Oh, this a bread that look like paper. What I'm supposed to do with this little bit of wine, miss? Watch there. Favor half moon. You can literally see straight through the piece of paper. Look there. This look like flesh of my flesh to you, miss. Jesus did look maga to you. Couldn't put little salt in there. And then if me I go drink this now. Sour. But I couldn't put little sugar in it before the carrot come around here. Now Missy set this for me and care something else come give me here. The amount of offering Missy people are throwing at this church here. And this one really care come give people for communion. I have out with thee for carrying this communion come give me. No man, you out order. This is not communion. This is a communion cousin.
A Jamaican never dialed a wrong number.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, man. Filbert Wagwan. I mean this now. Patchy.
No, sir, I think you have the wrong number, sir.
Wrong number. And a Filbert number this.
No, sir.
But at this number him give me.
Yes, that's my number, sir, but this is not any Filburn, sir.
No Filbert this me meet right down at
Here, sir?
the taxi stand right down at TST right there, man. Right side of half a tree right
No,
there,
sir.
Okay. You have a number for him?
What, sir?
No, me that check so you don't have a number for him because at this a number him give me.
So where must get that person number from, sir?
Oh, so I know Filbert phone this. Your voice sound nice still, you know, baby. I would like to get to know you if you don't mind, you know. Can I get your number? I joke, man. You know, say your number this me I talk to you fan, you know. So I can ask you a question, baby.
Yeah.
You can please put Filbert on the phone because at this a number
Sir.
the man give me for link him. Zane, I have
Hey, you. Hey, how are you?
Oh, I'm fine, thank you.
You live around here?
Oh, yes, just hop there. If you go down, and then you go up to the 13th floor.
You look good. I like it natural. What's your name?
Almaresa.
Amaretta. That sounds like a matan. You see, you have this matan thing right there on your neck, Amaretta. I mean, your hair, everything natural. Can I get your number?
Okay.
Maybe we could go out on a date or something.
Okay, so you're coming this evening?
Later this evening, we're gonna do this, okay? Natural.
Oh, good evening.
Hi. Yes, I'm looking for Amarita.
Oh, that's me.
No, Amarita.
Yes, that's me.
Were you the girl I met earlier today? What be this now? What kind of rubbish be this? I said I like a natural, you can't go to fix yourself up. What about all this?
Let me just put on a dress.
Me just what?
And just the hair.
No, this one, take out this come out now.
No, mommy, just put myself together.
Put yourself
everything.
together. Who asked you to put yourself together? Me just like what me see, and me just want what me see. No, show me Amarita, please. This one is scam. I'll punish you there.
So we now better go out? You can buy some food and carry back and give me?